Okay, so while the door panel is there, I'm gonna do the door mirror. Pull, pull. But this gave me a pain. So this, when it came out first, pull this side first, because this is tucked in here. So you see, you sort of need to pull this guy out of the way and sort of weasel it out, up and out. So you do the same thing to put it back in. But let's get the mirror out. 10, 10, 10, and unplug. So let's unplug her and see if it's all we need to do. Yep, 310 mils removed. This puppy comes right out. So I'll put the link in the description. It sort of tucks up under. So a little lip right there. So it tucks up under. So, alright, doesn't actually tuck. It sits straight with it. So let's see. Do the old line back up. Yep. So if you're good, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.